Today I'm going to be making a fire like this in a snowstorm using the long lost art of primitive fire making skills, only using a spark from a ferro rod, a char cloth roll, and a bird's nest made out of dried up grass clippings. Well, let's go. I'm dropping in the char cloth into the center of the bird's nest to catch a spark from the ferro rod. Let's blow some 3,000 degree sparks off of the ferro rod, and we have an ember. Now I'm going to give it some oxygen and get the fire started on this cold winter day. Boom! Success! And what a great fire it is.